Another thing to show you here is that, as you see, if I go to course, I am in course now, but we have these maybe colors. Maybe you want to change it to black, so you can go to edit type, but you have to choose the wall and then edit type. And as you see here in the graphics, the course scale fill is something of gray, so you can simply change it to black and you will get that result in the course. But if you change now to fine, you will get this result. So I will go to course, and also for the interior you can do the same thing. You can go to the graphics and then give it a black color to have this result if you are interested in this kind of representation of the floor plans. Now if you are not interested in this section, you can simply click to it and hide element in view, and you will get this one. And also for the imported, if you are done, you can do the same.